Assalamualaikum student of class 10. I am your ICT teacher Khurshid Alam Rani from Square High School and College, and today I am going to show how to insert new layer in Photoshop and how can you make picture visible and invisible on layers. So let's get started. Many layers should be used to work with more than one file in Photoshop. By keeping different pictures on different layers, their arrangement and editing should be done. Now, how to add new layers in palette. Click the create new layer icon below the palette. A new layer will be added above the existing or selected layer. Suppose here is create a new layer button, and I am clicking here, and new layer, that is layer 1, is created. Okay, this layer will be transparent one. To create any new object in newly added layer, shift it elsewhere if required. If 5 layers are created in this way, layer number 2 will be above number 1, number 3 will be above number 2, number 4 will be above number 3. If more layers are added, those will be arranged serially. Okay, the arrangement of steps can be changed if required. Clicking layer number 2 and pressing on the mouse, drag it and release on layer 3, and it will be placed in between layer 3 and 4. Okay, like this. You should remember that background layer cannot be shifted in this way. Background should be transformed into layer to replace it into another stage. You cannot shift the background layer like this. Okay student, now I am going to make a design, and for that I am selecting the background layer, taking the elliptical mark tool and making a circular shape on background layer, and again I am filling the shape with the color. And taking red color. Okay, now I am going to layer 1 and taking elliptical mark tool again and making a circular selection, and again filling the circular selection with color. Now I am taking blue, and similarly I'll do the same thing on the every layer of this file. Okay, Now making picture visible and invisible on layers. There is an icon of an eye on the extreme left of every layer. This icon is called layer visibility icon. Click on the icon of eye, it will disappear along with the picture on the screen. Suppose I am clicking here and the layer is invisible. Again I am clicking, then it will be visible. Similarly, if I click here to invisible, the object on this layer will be invisible here also. Again I am clicking here, the object on this layer will be visible again. Okay, there is a thumbnail icon on the right side of the icon of eye. The meaning of thumbnail: the miniature version of a large picture. This miniature version on the layer along with the picture on the screen is viewed in the thumbnail icon. It facilitates the editing of the picture on particular layers. Okay, now I am selecting layer 4, the object which on the layer 4 that I can make, edit or shift anywhere. Okay, similarly if I select layer 3, then the object on the layer 3 can be moved anywhere or delete or resize by using the tool. Okay, you can also resize the object size by clicking here the show transform control. Now we can resize it. Okay student, that was all about for today. In next class I will discuss about clustering, integrating and segregating palette. Till then, goodbye.